Ow, ow.
Calvin Miller production. Toot that thing up, mommy, make it roll.
Oh my god, my second and third tattoos. I'm scared. My sister's here and my mom's here.
You ready?
No, but I guess I have to be. Ow! Does it hurt? Not really, no. Ow, ow.
This one's done?
Fat. I think it's better.
Oh, fat. Oh, damn.
Well, I have no muscle or fat right there, so.
Well, you're not gonna get any, right? You gotta be daddy's little girl, okay?
So it's been like an hour since I got my tattoos, and I literally forgot to end the video / update you guys about pain and whatever else, even though you can kind of see by my face in some of the clips like how I felt about it. It wasn't too bad. Honestly, some spots hurt more than others, and it just felt like someone scratching me repeatedly. I ate a whole dinner before I went, because for my first tattoo I don't think I ate dinner before, because I think our appointment was at like 7, so we were like, oh, it'll take like an hour or something, hour and a half, and we'll just go home and eat dinner. But we didn't get home until like 10 that night. Like I said, some parts hurt more than others, but overall it wasn't that bad. And even the shading wasn't that bad, but that also could have been because I just like went numb after a while, so who knows. And now I have 3 tattoos, and they're all on the right side of my body, because I do want to get more tattoos and put them on this arm at some point. Maybe even a thigh tat in the future. I've always wanted a half sleeve, but I don't know if I'm gonna go through with it. And if I do, I'm gonna put it on my left arm, because this whole side of my body just is where my tattoos are at and nowhere else. I'm sure I will end up getting more. I didn't feel faint this time, so that is really good. That was one of the things that I was really worried about, since I did feel that way with my first tattoo. And then these 2 only took like 30 minutes versus like the hour and a half-ish that my that this piece took. And if you're new here and like you haven't seen my first tattoo video, then you don't know that I have this one. So this was actually done by a different artist. This artist actually passed away over a year ago. Rest in peace to him. But went back to the same studio, and I went to this guy that we also know that works there. So I was like, yeah, I can trust him to do these 2 little ones. I also just realized I didn't talk at all about the background behind these tattoos. The Japanese characters on my lower part of my right arm. It's the title of The Weeknd's album Kissland, and it's Kissland in Japanese. I just got it because I really like The Weeknd, and I thought the tattoo was cool, so I was like, whatever. I'm not the kind of person that like needs super deep meanings behind tattoos. Like if you want to get a tattoo, then get a tattoo. It's your body, and as long as you're happy with it, then. Anyways, moving on. So the yin yang with the little circle around it, kind of making an infinity sign, is kind of like a tribute tattoo to Mac Miller, because I also really like him, and obviously he passed away. The yin yang is like a part of his whole like circles thing. I don't really know how to explain it. I just know that the yin yang was like associated with him, and that the circle around the yin yang kind of makes an infinity sign, and it kind of just represents like being at peace with your life, going in circles, and like life isn't endless cycles. You know, the yin yang is all about like that kind of thing, like peace and tranquility, all that good vibe stuff. Overall, I mean, I also just thought it looked cool, and I put them next to each other, not for any particular reason. I honestly just always knew I was going to put something in this area. Prior to the appointment, I actually thought about moving the placement of one of them, because I wasn't sure if I wanted them both to be right there. We also didn't have Sanoderm, which I'm pretty sad about. Like, he ran out, so I'm gonna go to Walmart tomorrow and go look for like one of the little alternatives. But I will see you guys in the next video, and if you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. I cut my thumb at work. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Pop, lock, and drop it. Now pop, lock, and drop it for me. Pop, lock, and drop it. Say pop, lock, and drop it. Now what's your name?